Welcome to WestRock's exceptional paper mill in Roanoke Rapids, North Carolina. Our 374 dedicated and engaged teammates produce 500,000 tons of high-quality kraft paper and lightweight linerboard each year to support WestRock's diverse portfolio of sustainable paper-based packaging solutions.
Our kraft paper is used for grocery bags and the multi-wall shipping sacks used for lawn and leaf bags, pet food, and charcoal. Our lightweight linerboard is used inside and outside of corrugated boxes. Our products have remarkable strength that is made possible by our responsibly sourced and managed southern pine.
The Roanoke Rapids Mill has been a key part of the local economy ever since we started up as the first kraft pulp mill in the United States in 1909. At startup, we manufactured our kraft paper at the rate of 15 tons per day. We can now produce 90 times that amount every day. That's 1,350 tons per day.
Manufacturing Day is October 2nd. It's a day when we recognize the importance of manufacturing to the future of the Roanoke Rapids community and communities all over the country. Manufacturing spurs innovation and fuels economic growth. Manufacturing sustainable paper-based packaging like we do at WestRock is a tremendous area for people to build rewarding careers that positively impact communities, customers, and the planet.
The dedicated and engaged team at Roanoke Rapids is committed to working safely every day. We're focused on reducing exposures to all injuries and practicing the 3 W's. That's wash your hands, wear your mask, and watch your distance. Thanks to all of the incredible WestRock teammates around the world for operating safely and reliably for the well-being of each other and our customers.
Stay safe,
Stay well
And stay strong.
Stay safe, stay well, stay strong!